Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi, you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that you will see all the available networks here. For example, let's use this one. Just here you should enter the password of this network. If you want to see this password, you can click here on this icon to just have now some mistakes. Just to remove the entered password, you can click here on the 6 icon. Okay, I'll enter the password out of screen. So after that, just you should click here to the right upper corner to OK. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select one more network just by the same way, enter the password, click to connect, and after that, for example, you can use also the Wi-Fi assistant, so you can use the auto connect to the best Wi-Fi network if you just have saved a couple of different passwords of the networks, or also you can use the auto switch to mobile network if, for example, the Wi-Fi connection will poor. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi here, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. So also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first you should open the notification panel, and here in the top bar you should find the Wi-Fi icon here on the left upper corner, and just to activate it you should click once on this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, just to select one from these networks, just hold by this way, just hold this icon and you will launch the Wi-Fi settings. If you want to turn off, you should just click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.